Every trader needs protection. That's where the stop loss comes in. A stop loss is a simple safety tool. You tell your broker, if the price falls to this level, close my trade automatically. This means you decide before the trade how much you are willing to lose. If the market goes the wrong way, the stop loss helps to keep the loss small. Here an example. Think of it like a seatbelt in a car. You don't plan to crash, but if something goes wrong, the seatbelt protects you from heavy damage. A stop loss does the same for your trading account. So remember, no stop loss, no serious trading. Use it to protect yourself and stay in the game longer. In the next video, we'll compare two ways to look at the markets, technical versus fundamental analysis. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more trading basics.